Greetings to everyone. Hope everyone is in pink of their health. This is Suyash Tripathi. I'm a second year student pursuing BLLB honors from MIT Law School, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. And currently, I am working as a legal intern with LEXIS and Company. So today, we are going to discuss a very important case which is related to Indian Contract Act. That is Derry versus Peak. The court was decided by the House of Lords. The people in the bench or the judges in the bench consist of Lord Halsbury LC, Lord Watson, Lord Bramwell, Lord Fitzgerald, and Lord Haskell. The case was decided on 1 July 1889, and the citation of the cases were 1889 LR 14 APP CAS 337 and UKHL 1. So the facts of the case. This case is related to Indian Contract Acts, which is a very important or landmark judgment in distinguishing between the fraud and misrepresentation. So the facts of the case are as follows. Plaintiff received a prospectus regarding the incorporation of defendant's company, which highlighted that the company would have the right to use steam or mechanical power. After receiving the prospectus, plaintiff bought shares of the company, relying on the allegations of the prospectus and believing that the company had the absolute right to use steam or mechanical power. The Board of Trade refused to allow steam or mechanical power, and the company was wound up unable to complete its work. Thereafter, plaintiff was sued against defendant for fraudulent misrepresentations. The trial judge dismissed the action after coming to the conclusion that the directors knew that the use of steam or mechanical power was contingent on the Board of Trade, and it was not unreasonable or deceitful for them to rely on the board. Issues raised in the case were whether it is deceit when a company forms a prospectus to solicit investors, which later proves to be wrong. Contentions by the appellant were: appellant contended that it was fraud done to them by the respondents. Contentions by the respondent contended that they were not sure that they would get registered, so it was not the case of fraud but a mere case of misrepresentation. The judgment held, or the court held, the House of Lords reversed the judgment of the Court of Appeals and restated the judgment of lower court. The court found this to be an action of deceit, action under which the establishment of misrepresentation alone is not enough to prove liability. In this case, plaintiff relied on the prospectus, which may have been misrepresentation, but defendants reasonably believed that they could glean approval of the Board of Trade and should not be held liable for their later failure to do so. Ratio descendi: an action of deceit will only stand in a court when a plaintiff can show not only misrepresentation but also that the defendants knew that they were unable to follow through with their representations. So that's all for today. If you like this video, do click on the like button, and don't forget to press the bell icon and click on the subscription button to get the further updates. Thank you.